Hey guys, this crypto class in today's video I brought you update on AIX wallet. Now in this particular wallet, you can actually stake, you can actually swap, you can send, you can receive, and you can actually invite other person on this particular app, and they have an airdrop for this particular app. All right, I've introduced this particular app last 4 months ago, and I showed you guys how to register, how it works. Now their airdrop session is live, but you just need to do one thing for you to unlock this airdrop. All right, but if you are new on this particular channel and you haven't subscribed, this crypto class will bring you updates on cryptocurrency, airdrop, web3, anything you need to know about web3. Just quickly go ahead and hit on the subscription button and make sure you turn on your bell icon to all, so that YouTube will always notify you anytime we post any new video like this. And quickly go ahead and give us a thumb up to help us increase the algorithm, share to your friends, and comment on the comment section. And quickly, let's get started. Now I told you that this wallet is an AI based trading wallet that you can actually receive, send, swap, and invite, and also stake at the same time, and it will be running concurrently. And as you are doing this, you are generating the airdrop token once you stake, and this staking in 1 month, it has a percentage that is going to generate for you depending on the amount that you stake. Now I'm going to quickly make an introduction for the registration again, but if you want the full introduction, you go back to our previous video and check out how everything works. All right, now currently they are on PancakeSwap. You can swap this airdrop on PancakeSwap if you don't want to swap in this wallet inside. All right, and you can also see it on OKX. All right, but what I'm going to tell you is that I'm not a financial advisor, so you risk wisely. All right, I'm just introducing the app because I see that the app is working. All right, and also that you can earn from it, but there might be risks on it. All right, so you risk what you can actually lose. All right, let's get started on this particular app, and you can see how much I've generated within the first 4 months of introducing this particular app. All right, from invite, from what the revenue adds every day. All right, and right here you can see AI holding position, AI account. This is the amount have been generated from this particular airdrop AIX. All right, now last time I told you guys I did something like this. All right, I bought something TROS like this, and we use in demonstration. All right, and this USDT, nothing right here. All right, so I'm quickly going to start afresh and tell you guys how it works, how you are going to benefit from it. All right, and how to get across it. All right, let's start with the invite session. Now this is the invite. If you click on this invite, all right, then what you need to do is to copy this BSC. All right, copy this address. By that time, I will drop the link for this particular wallet where you have to download, and then it will ask you for your invite. You paste this particular address to bind. All right, where you come to is you come to this setting and come to invite bind, and then paste it. Once you paste it right here, all right, then bind it, it will bind. That means you have successfully been invited. The same thing you can do to others when they want to enter into this particular app. All right, now right here, once you have been invited, you are free, and make sure you store your mnemonics or your passphrase very well, because it deals with passphrase like the Trust Wallet and other wallet as usual. All right, so these are the main basic things that you need to know. Then we'll go to the staking process, which generate the funds and also allows you to unlock this particular airdrop. And also you can swap, as I've already said, on PancakeSwap and OKX. I'll be dropping the whole link and the contract address. All right, so let's quickly jump into it. I'll quickly go ahead and transfer from here, from my Bybit to this particular place. I'm going to be transferring TROS first of all, and the minimum you can deposit is 100 TROS and upward. All right, so let's go ahead. Let me purchase from my Bybit and send direct to here, and then we kick it off from there. Alright guys, I've been able to successfully deposit. You can see it, I've deposited 110 TRS worth of $36.7. Alright, right here. So what I need to do is to go ahead and start the AI trading to show you how it works, and you can also redeem at the same time. All right, and this is how it works. It works like the investment. You can invest up to 300 USDT to get up to 1000 AIX, which is one of these AIX worth about 0.3 USDT, and monthly return is this 1000 times 30 will be giving you 300 AIX on monthly, which is going to be total of 1300 AIX. And if you register, it's going to be giving you up to 1000 of these, which is claimable on the unlocking day. All right, now if AIX rise to $1, you'll be getting 1300 times 1, which is 1300 USDT, and the actual return is going to be up to 1000 USDT. All right, and if AIX fall to 0.29 USDT, you'll be able to get up to $77 your actual return. And then the staking process, I'm going to guide you, and it works both on BNB and TRX. So I'm going to guide you on how to purchase, how to stake, and everything involved. Right here we are going to go into it. You can see my available balance right now, so I'm going to go on AI trading or holding position. All right guys, for you to be able to do that, to stake, what you need to do is to click on this AI. Once you click on this AI, so you see my holdings. You can actually stake USDT, TRS, and BNB Smart Chain. So how to do it is to go ahead. Since we have TRS, we click on TRS. But if you want to make use of BNB, you make use of BNB. And minimum purchase is 100. That's why I told you guys. So I'll be purchasing 010. That is 101. And then let's buy. Let's see how it works. So right now I've purchased. All right, let's go back to know what actually happened. You can see what happened right here, that I purchased, and this is my holdings. All right, $33 and remaining $3 from here. All right, so for us to be able to redeem all these, all right, let's quickly go ahead and let me expose it. All right, you click on the AI. Now you can see that this is the participation. All right, now the daily profit is now showing about 0.168 USDT or AIX. All right, so you can see it right now. So I can click on my holdings. Once I click on my holdings, and you can see that it's running, and I can redeem it as anytime I want. All right, let me quickly go ahead and redeem it so that you know that it's actually working. This particular place you have already staked. All right, so go ahead and link your Google Authenticator to your wallet for them to know that you are the actual person, and you can see how authentic this wallet is. So you go to your Google Authenticator, then you see a code, and then copy it, go to your Google Authenticator back, then you can see here add, then enter code, maybe write AIXWALLET and then enter the code and bind. Then go back to that particular place, click on next. All right, on this particular place you click on next, then they will tell you to copy this Google Authenticator code right here that is running. Now once you copy it, then go back and paste it and click on bind. It will bind successfully. That is how it works on Google Authenticator. And then come right here that say AI trading. Once you click on the AI, then you can redeem, and you can see what is the time. You must have bind your invitation code. I will be dropping my BSC chain address for you to bind, and then also the increase is by daily. All right, and you can see that right here it is increasing. All right, it's increasing as time. You can see it is increasing. So I'll go to this AI, I'll click on this redeem right now. Once I click on this redeem, guys, let's see what is going to happen. It told me to copy my Google Authenticator. Let's know whether it can actually redeem. Now we'll go ahead and paste. All right, and then you can see operation successful. I've been able to redeem. Let's go back and know what exactly we have right here. So right here you are not going to be seeing anything on this AI holding. So what you are going to be seeing right here is on this AI account, all right, because what we have now is this AIX, all right, which we purchased, all right. So you can see it is at the top, okay. So what we need to do right now is to go to AI account, and then you can see right here that I have this particular amount. Then let's click on Throne, and then you can see right here on Throne that it has multiplied. I deposited 101. Right now it has increased to 103. You can see it's $34 right now, so that you can see it's running frequently. So you can see how it has generated money right now. So if I leave it further, it can generate up to $10 right here on this particular wallet. Or if you want to doubt it, I can leave this video and proceed, okay, and stake again and leave it for some time and then come back and know whether it's going to happen. All right guys, you can see that it's working perfectly. I'm not a financial advisor, just risk wisely. All right, it's working perfectly. This wallet is working perfectly. Let me go ahead and send out so that you see that you can send back to your exchange. So I'll click on send, and what I'm sending is right here. Let me go ahead and quickly select the one I'm sending, right? So I'll quickly click on this Throne. I'll quickly click on this send. All right, so I'll enter the address right here. All right, then I'll enter the amount I want to send. Let's say 110. All right, and then go. I'll click on this transfer. I'll be reserving 0.8 here. Then all I need to do is to enter my web address password. All right, you can see transaction successfully, and you can see that the gas fee right here is 0.4 Throne. All right, now for you to make use of BSC and USDT is actually cheaper. On BSC is 0.0001 BSC, which is not even up to what the charges on TRS is very minimal. All right, it's not even up to that. It's not even up to $0.0001. All right, so go ahead and make use of this wallet. I've shown you guys how it's working, and it's working perfectly, and how you can generate revenue and also swap and stake on this particular wallet. And you already know that this airdrop is functional right now. So see you at the top, and do have a great day.